Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Moto E40. Firstly, the Success Play Store on both smartphones. Now you need to click on the search bars and install completely free app called Send Anwyehjre from this developer. When it's ready, tap on Open. Now you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do exactly the same on the other smartphone. Now choose Send on your Android and Receive on Motorola. From here you can finally tap on all of those dots and then choose Send over here at the bottom right corner. This way you will select all of those files and then send them. It will take some time to transfer all of mine now, so I will go with only one. Choose Send and click on Got It. Now on Motorola, click on No Thanks or Yes I Agree. Close this window, and as you can see, from here we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by choosing this scanning icon, tapping on while using the app or only this time, and simply pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here instead and then tap on the Receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!